we're close to me. I wanna show you.
Welcome to 0 to 60.
Today we have a Mini Cooper.
Yeah. It's I think a 2006 Mini Cooper.
Yes.
It has the 1.6 liter naturally aspirated engine, and it sounds good.
Yeah.
It sounds really nice.
So this is the car, the Mini logo. What's that? Shift. Very nice. It has 180,000 kilometers.
That's actually not true because it has actually done more kilometers.
Oh.
It's even close to 300,000 kilometers.
Yes?
Yeah. So almost.
Yeah.
I mean, 180,000 miles.
Alright. Alright.
Around. It's actually a really nice car.
Yeah.
This particular model is the first Mini Cooper engineered and made by BMW. But I have to say, it sounds great.
Yeah, it definitely does.
6,000 RPM.
Yeah, it wants to drive.
It really sounds.
Jesus.
Well, we all know that Mini Cooper, or just Mini, is obviously a British brand.
Yeah, but
they're famous for their British flags on their car and stuff.
Yeah, also the lights for the new models. Yes.
Very nice though.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this particular model is engineered by BMW.
Yeah.
So they have a partnership, and yeah, this is the first model that they made together with BMW. So you've got those switches and things in the interior that you know from BMW.
Yeah.
If you look up the numbers on the internet, it says 0 to 60 takes roughly 10 seconds.
Yeah.
But this is a more than a 10-year-old car, and it has done over 300,000 kilometers.
Yeah, that's a lot.
So I'm actually pretty curious what the 0 to 60 time
Will be. Yeah.
I have to say it feels still pretty sturdy.
Yeah. Also fast.
It doesn't like fall apart or something.
No.
So I'm really curious what the 0 to 60 will be. So let's find out.
Yeah, let's find out.